I'm going to show you some of the hats this time. This is the first one, which is the beige one. So this is an adult size. So this is a nice snug fit, but that's in your kind of beigey color. Then you've got the blue one, and this is in the ice blue. This is one of my favorites. So you can see that, again, that's done in the adult size. And then this is the extra adult size, the bigger adult size. You'll see that's a little bit bigger, but that's in that nice brown color. So just want to show you the green one. This is in the bigger adult size. It's a bit big for my head, but it's the bigger adult size. So that's in green. And then this is the little cute baby one. And then this is the adult one. That's for my little next door neighbor. And my other little next door neighbor, that's the little child one. So they're really, 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 really cute.